was looking at projectors around 20,000 rupees and I came across this FIZIX FX Pro. Never heard of the brand, but the specs looks really good. 64 GB storage, 1800 ANSI lumens, Wi-Fi 6, AI features. And I thought, okay, what's the catch? Because when something looks this good on paper at this price, there's usually a compromise somewhere, right? So I bought it to find out. And yeah, there are some compromises, but there are also some genuine surprises. Let me share everything. Hi, I am Pooja and welcome to ClearBuy. I spend all my time buying and testing home appliances, TVs, soundbars, washing machines, projectors and more to see how they perform in real life, not just on paper. So you can buy confidently without wasting your money. Everything I share here is from real testing and real experience. Alright. Quick unboxing. You get the projector, power cable, good quality HDMI cable, manual, warranty card and a Bluetooth remote. The remote feels nice, slim, matte finish, good button feedback. But the voice assistant doesn't work right now and there are no app shortcuts buttons. Small things but worth mentioning. Now the projector itself, black body with gold accent around the lens. Looks premium, not budget at all. Clean design with heat sink vents on the sides for cooling. At the bottom, there is a tripod mounting and a motorized height adjustment, which is really handy. Design and build quality feels solid for 20,000 rupees. Ports wise, you get optical audio, 3.5mm jack, 2 USB ports, HDMI ARC and Ethernet, Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2. Bluetooth work perfectly. Wi-Fi had occasional buffering, so Ethernet is more reliable. This is native 1080p. YouTube plays up to 1080p 60 fps. No 4K or HDR support for streaming, but USB playback handles 4K smoothly. It's a short throw projector. They claim 300 inches. I tried for 100 to 120 inches. Projection quality is good. Now here's what impressed me. All the auto features actually work. Auto keystone, auto focus, obstacle avoidance, auto rotation. Setup is genuinely easy. 2 smart AI features. AI memory sync remembers your settings for different rooms. And AI bright boost increases brightness when you need it. 1800 ANSI lumens and it's genuinely bright. Dark room, excellent. But even with room lights on or curtains open, the projection stays clearly visible. I compared it with another 20,000 rupees projector and this was noticeably brighter. Sharpness is really good. Colors are rich and vibrant. Blacks are handled well with that 30,000:1 contrast ratio. You can see shadow details in dark scenes. Upscaling is decent too. Old movies and shows look clean without over-sharpening. Audio has a 10-watt speakers. It's loud enough for a small room with clear dialogues. But there is a limitation. No Dolby support. And even with a 5.1 soundbar, you only get 2.1 output. For proper movie nights, you'll want better audio. Software runs Google TV on Android 9. A bit outdated, but the UI is smooth without major lags. OTT playback. Widevine L3 support means Netflix and Prime max out at 720p. AHA and Hotstar play 1080p. Netflix navigation needs mouse mode instead of regular remote buttons. Screencasting works with Apple AirPlay directly. For Android, you'll need the eShare app since there is no official Google Cast. So pricing is 20,000 to 25,000 rupees across FIZIX website, Amazon and Flipkart. So should you buy it? What's good? Premium design, excellent brightness, rich colors, solid picture quality, easy auto setup and that rare 64 GB storage. What's not? Voice remote doesn't work. Wi-Fi buffers occasionally. Limited audio features. Outdated Android 9 and Netflix need mouse mode. Buy this if you want a bright projector with good picture quality for watching movies and sports in dark or dimly lit rooms at this budget. Skip if audio quality or seamless OTT navigation matters most. Also, since FIZIX is newer, long-term service is still uncertain. Overall, a solid projector at 20,000 to 25,000 rupees with some rough edges you should know about. If this video helped you even a little, a like and your one subscribe really keeps me motivated to test and share more honest reviews every day. If you are planning to buy one, I share the product link in the description. It supports the channel and costs you nothing extra. And if you have any doubts or questions, drop a comment. I read every single one. Thank you for being here. I am Pooja from ClearBuy and I'll see you in the next one.